Honda recently announced enhancements to the capabilities of its Honda Sensing 360 and Honda Sensing Elite advanced safety and driver assistance systems. The improved Honda Sensing 360 system will be standard on all new Honda and Acura models in the U.S. by 2030. Honda Sensing 360 will be known as Acura Watch on Acura models equipped with this technology. Currently available on specific models sold in China, the first generation of Honda Sensing 360 has an expanded sensory range around the entire vehicle that mitigates blind spots to enhance collision avoidance. Beginning in China in 2024, the next generation of Honda Sensing 360 will feature new advanced technologies designed to reduce the likelihood of a collision. By accurately detecting abnormal conditions and the vehicle's surroundings, Honda Sensing 360 will reduce health-related or human error-triggered collisions using the new technology. Additionally, Honda will also accelerate the advancement and adoption of Honda Sensing Elite, a variation of Honda Sensing that features a multitude of advanced safety technologies. Honda has been developing technologies that will assist drivers in achieving a safe, seamless ride to their destination, including technologies to assist drivers on non-expressways, including a hands-off function while driving through a traffic jam on arterial roads, enabling hands-off functions when merging onto and exiting from an expressway, and assisting drivers by automatically parking in and driving out of a home garage. Honda Sensing Elite enhances its capabilities to recognize complex environments and handle those driving situations such as traveling on non-expressways based on learned driver habits. Plans specific to the launch of the next generation of Honda Sensing Elite have yet to be announced. First introduced during 2014 in the 2015 Honda CR-V and 2015 Acura TLX, Honda Sensing and Acura Watch have since expanded this advanced safety among the Honda and Acura lineups. Nearly 7 million vehicles in the U.S. currently have the benefit of Honda Sensing and Acura Watch technology. To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.